EQAVET has demonstrated its value in improving vet quality assurance in Europe. EQAVET is a robust and versatile model that can be adapted by ETF and its partner countries to suit their needs. Improving knowledge of EQAVET and competence development in its usage were the key objectives of the seminar.
EQAVET is a European process involving the member states, the social partners, the European Commission, working on deepening a culture of quality assurance in vocational education and training across Europe. It's a process which has been underway since the early 2000s with the advent of the Copenhagen Declaration, which of course is about supporting the development of a high quality vet system. The Secretariat, which I represent, has undertaken a survey of all of our members in 2012, which highlights the degree of progress in implementing the recommendation. This survey shows us in particular that concepts of partnership and engagement with stakeholders are a key part of the process of strengthening the culture of quality assurance.
Over the last 4 years, the member states of the European Union have been working on developing guidance to support the implementation of the EQAVET framework. So far, they've developed 500 pages of web-based guidance, and this covers issues relating to the indicative descriptors and indicators within the recommendation.
The indicators are, so to say, the tools to help out in measuring what the reality of vet is in each member state or in each vet provider. They help to identify areas where some action is needed to further develop the vet system or the vet provision, and of course to measure how effective the provision or the policy is vis-à-vis those indicators.
All this work has been done in cooperation with the 27 members of the European Union, and all this material is now available for others to use.
What is very interesting, in fact, is the distinction between quality assurance models in vocational education and training and quality improvement models. Two countries which particularly we can learn a lot of lessons are Montenegro, where we can see clearly the presence of a very interesting model where actually external evaluation and internal evaluation are part of the process. On the contrary, we have another country example, Bosnia and Herzegovina, where the agenda is still on quality improvement in vocational education and training, which brings together different building blocks of quality, like quality of teacher training, quality of textbooks, quality of curriculum, etc.
Georgia and Macedonia, two different countries in two different regions with common and very also different approaches to several things related with vocational education, including quality assurance. Interestingly, reading the new strategies for VET of the two countries, I noticed that they mention 50 times the word quality and quality assurance as well as EQAVET. So this somehow demonstrates how important this theme is in their strategic approaches for developing the sector. However, they face many issues. One of the countries, Georgia, has done already many steps, but now they are in a process of reviewing what has been done. Macedonia is going to improve and in a way start many things from scratch. So I think that this discussion today here with the colleagues from EQAVET, the tools they are using, the questions they are using can also be very relevant and useful for these two countries.
Romania, I'm happily and proud to mention that, is the first country that has piloted and adapted the Common Quality Assurance Framework to a national context. And therefore we are having like more than 10 years experience in this domain. From the Romanian point of view, even though it's a long-term effort and it needs a lot of work being done, quality improvement on the long run is giving a great reward.
For the coming years in our EQAVET work program 2013-2015, we are emphasizing two strands of work. Firstly, supporting the key players in the member states in developing their quality assurance approaches, and at a European level looking at how to increase the cooperation between EQAVET and other European instruments such as the EQF, the European Qualifications Framework, and EQAVET, which is the European Credit System for Vocational Education and Training.